What's going on, guys? It's G69. I hope you can see me. Hope you can see everything well. I pray to God you can. This is about as good as I can do. I cannot see what the hell I'm doing. I'm in the middle of the fucking dark. So if you can see me, you can see me awesome. I got me a box full of works. Absolutely. I got way more in the house, dude. I forgot I even had that many. But anyway, my mom's over there. She's going to watch one. This is a great grizzly, freaking called the Grand Flag. Let's see what she does with the torch. Try to do it up close. I got that grass nice and soft and all. That's the way you do it, there. It's okay. Made a loud noise. I'll tell you what. It did just now? I didn't see it. I need to go get my big roll. I know y'all want to see some better things, but I'm just trying to light off some stuff right now. Just light off a few. This torch is the deal. See how slow they light? They don't light as quick as they used to. They're out as hell. One pop right there, it might blow up. These shots, zooms, I got all kinds of things in here. But let's go ahead and get down to the mortars. Oh, they're falling out the bag. Maybe them are extra ones, I guess I have. From maybe I never used this one. I don't think I did. No, this is a brand new. Oh Lord, this is a beast thing. A big old thing of mortars. So yeah, I ain't even opened this yet. I didn't know that. Now, let's see what we got here. And then I got a whole nother thing of mortars right here to drop in there. So yeah, I ain't even got into this. I don't think so. This is made by Great Grizzly as well. Sort of like Phantom Fireworks, same thing. Let's rip her open. Oh, there's two in there. Okay, look at that. You see that, Mom? Two in there. You got like 6 balls on each side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 balls on each side. Ha! That's what she said. Anyway, bam. That's where the loudness be. So let's get one on. Damn, I didn't know I had that. Man, I went all out last year. I spent like, well, I think $500. I don't know. It was ridiculous. So I'm gonna have plenty for 4th of July. I mean, for right now, and then for freaking our wedding when I grow up 28 years, and New Year's. There's the good one. That's what you want to see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Hell yeah, I gotta ask for it. Huh? It's already came down. Oh, you see that? Oh no, there's only one at a time. The mortars. Yeah. Listen to that echo. Damn right. Hey, do me a favor right now. Go close my door. Bathroom. Alright guys, I suggest don't always drop these things in there hot like I'm doing. But you can. Yeah. Man, I didn't even know I had all these. And this is my little box. There we go, that's what I need, some light. Oh, woo! Loving it. Nah, man, I was looking. I seen I had a bag of mortars right there. I seen this underneath to open it up, and it's got two packs of mortars in it. I probably ain't gonna do too many. I'm just gonna do a bunch of more mortars. Trying to get every one for y'all guys, and this, I don't know if I am, but oh yeah, that's a good one. I can fit it. Excuse me. The shit's falling all around me. So happy 4th, guys. Zigzags, zip zaps, lollipops, wing wangs, boom booms, ging gangs, hoo-doos and doo-doos. Mom, you're gonna have to go get me that roll here in a minute. That whole damn roll. I got Skeeter's sparklers right here. Let's see what these, oh, these look kind of cool. I've never seen these before. These are called Captain and Jacks. Let's see what one of these do. Look at that right there. We got mad red on it. Let's see what this thing does. I'm just gonna stick it in the ground, see how pretty it is. If it's got any prettiness to it at all. It might be bad. Yeah, they're all right. That's kind of bright. That's giving me enough light. That's what I needed. Hell yeah. So that's the tip for the nut. Yes, I threw all my regular little packs out. See, I forget about this stuff. Alright. See what I said. Here we go. Boom. God, that's beautiful. That was just awesome, dude. Guys, I hope y'all are seeing every bit of this. This is... there's pieces falling all over the place. It's dangerous. Alright, I'm going to try another one of these mortars. Now, this is out of a different... These are out of Mad Cat. A Mad Cat packaging from last year. That tube's kind of hot. I could use that other tube that had just the one shot in it. But I don't want to do that. But this mortar's fine to use in here because it's the same size. So just to make any of y'all freaking little pyromaniacs know, I've been doing this shit for 28 years. I know what the hell's going down. Let's put up my fucking light. Look. Good God Almighty. Oh yeah! Yeah, that's bad. We got a cake going off back there. This is more fireworks this year than I've heard anybody do yet all year long. So I figured I'm gonna get out here and light mine. I wasn't even gonna light them, but I said, you know what? Yeah, I might as well. My buddy the other day, I was sitting there recording. He's like, yeah, it looks so funny, like you're sitting there talking to your damn self. I'm the only one out here right now, so I know it does. In my yard, you know what I'm saying? That thing's hot. Whew. That's why I like this torch, boy. You can get away from it quick. Good God Almighty, son. Yes, sir. Black cats don't mess around. I love them things. Anything made by Black Cat. So, I'm going to save that other set of beasts right there. Don't y'all forget them beasts. Boom. But we're going to light the rest of them off. I got 2 more of those. What's up, Stinky? You're on camera, so if you don't want to get up in camera, don't get up in camera. You can't see it from the back side. I got it locked in there. There's more people this year that have been lighting off than any.
Well, a lot of them you can because it rains.
Exactly, it's perfect.
Yeah, everything's wet, so they ain't too hard on your body.
It's not doing nothing. You don't see any cold landing in anywhere. You'll hear them falling around you, but they ain't doing that box. That shit's hot, son. I got that damn torch. Good Lord, it came straight out the thing and blew up.
Damn sure did.
Good gracious, son, that was a grenade.
Right,
that wasn't what was supposed to happen, Captain.
That's how it blowed your shit apart.
Look, I guarantee you it did. No, it didn't, but that's something. Feel how hot that sumbitch is. God almighty, be careful. Damn, I'm gonna try to launch him out of this one, but this was a single shot, you know?
That motherfucker, it come right out, son.
God almighty, son, did you feel it go across your head?
Yeah.
That shit skipped my head and everything.
That's when it blowed up as soon as it come out the tube.
That was sweet, though. That's what it's all about. And it might have done stop recording, I don't even know. Because these ones weren't made for that one, though. These ones made for... Hey, y'all might want to stand back. That last one that just came out,
it didn't make it 4 foot there.
I'm telling you, it came out right here. We thought it blew the thing apart. Yeah, pieces fall all around. You know what I am going to do, though? I am going to go in there and get my roll of 1,000 and light them off. That'll be the last one of the boom. You know what I'm saying? It'll go off for about 2 minutes. So we got a nice cake going off back there. You can't see it, though.